Hello children, welcome back. In the previous video, we started a lesson which is given in Unit 2, 9th Standard Samachir Kalvi syllabus. So this is a part 2 video, which means the continuation of the story we are going to see in this video. The name of the lesson is I Can't Climb Trees Anymore, which is written by Ruskin Bond. We are going to start the story now. Children, if you want to know what is going to happen in the story next, you should know what happened in the story in the past so that there will be a continuation. So I have brought all these images from video part 1 in order to recollect the story. So now we are going to see what happened in the story in the past. So far, what happened in the story. With the help of these images, I'm going to recollect. Okay, so what happened in the story so far? The author Ruskin Bond is going back to the house in which he was living, in which he spent his young days. He wanted to recollect his memories, so that he is going back to the house. He stood in a place and he was staring at the house for a long time. And he thinks himself that the house has not gone under many changes. It was built with solid blocks of granite walls. And he could see a jackfruit tree in the garden under which he used to play when he was a young boy. He used to climb on the jackfruit tree when he was a young boy. He could also remember one more thing, that his grandmother would always say that the shade of the jackfruit tree is a blessing for the house, because the shade of the jackfruit tree lies on one part of the hall, one side of the wall, so that she felt that the shade of jackfruit tree is a blessing from the tree for the house. And when he was a boy, he used to play on a turnstile which was in the garden. Okay, he used to play on swing on it by going round and round, but now it is missing. The turnstile is not there in the garden, it is missing now. And when he was thinking all these things, no, he could see a girl standing near the hollyhock plant and staring at the man. The girl asked the man, why is he here? She asked whether he wants to buy the house, whether he has come here to buy the house. He said, no, no, I have not come to buy the house. I was living in the house long back. I just came here to revisit the house and I wanted to recollect the memories of the house. So that I came here, he said. And he's also asking the girl whether whose house is it. So the girl is replying, it's my father's house. He's a colonel. Okay, so the girl is inviting the man to come inside and have a very close look of the house, so that he's just coming inside. And she also said that if he comes inside, her parents won't mind it, she said. So that he's just going into the house to have a clear picture of the house. Okay, so instead of going through the front gate, no, he just climbed over the wall and trying to getting inside the house. Okay, so he climbed up the wall, but he could not get down since he was a middle-aged person now. Middle-aged in the sense he's the 40s இருக்கிற ஒரு மனுஷன் அவரு. Okay, so அவர் ஏறிட்டாரு, but he could not get down. Okay, when he was a boy, you know, he used to climb on it easily. It was a very easy task for him. But now he is an aged person, so that he could not climb. He climbed up, but he could not get down. And he, when he was on the top of the wall, no, he felt himself as a man who's being at the trapeze. Trapeze இந்த சர்க்கஸ்ல பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, இந்த மாதிரி கயிறுல ஜம்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பர்சனா அவர் ஃபீல் பண்ணிக்கிறார். இந்த ட்ரப்பீஸ்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு விளையாடுற ஒரு பர்சனா அவர் ஃபீல் பண்ணிக்கிறாரு. And the girl helped him to get down. Okay, so when they got both of them down, no, they are just walking towards the garden. Instead of going inside, they wanted to sit outside and have a look at the house. So they are getting into the garden, and there he could see a stone bench under a mango tree. Okay, as soon as he saw the snow, he could recollect a thing. What is that? His grandmother, whenever she felt tired of doing this trimming work, trimming in the sense, I told you, in the rose bushes, bougainvillea bushes எல்லாம் cut பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம், whenever she felt tired of herself, she used to rest on it for a while. Okay, so இந்த பெஞ்ச்ல தான் வந்து உட்கார்ந்து ரெஸ்ட் எடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தோம். So they both were sitting in a place looking at each other, and they were quiet for some time. Till this we have stopped. I think we are going to start the story now. Now let's see what is going to happen next. Okay. They were silent, and the man closed his eyes and remembered the music of a piano, the chiming of a grandfather clock, the constant twitter of budgeragoth, on the veranda and his grandfather cranking the old car. So they both were sitting in a place, right? The girl and Arthur Ruskin Bond both were sitting in a place in the garden. They were quiet for some time. Okay, they did not talk for some time. They sat quietly for some time, and then the man or Arthur closed his eyes and remembered the music of a piano. He just closed his eyes and trying to recollect the memories, the sounds which he had in the surrounding. Okay, அந்த இடத்துல என்னென்னலாம் குழந்தையா இருந்தப்ப அவருக்கு சவுண்ட்ஸ் கேட்டுச்சு, என்னென்ன மெமரிஸ்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ரீகலெக்டிங் ஒன் பை ஒன். The sounds which he could hear when he was a boy, those are the music of a piano, the music which comes out of a piano, and the chiming of a grandfather clock. Chiming is the bell sound of a clock. Okay, the bell sound of a clock, which is made by clock. Okay, so grandfather clock அப்படிங்கிறது it's an old clock. Okay, so he could hear the music of a piano and the chiming of a grandfather clock, the constant twitter of budgerigars. Budgerigars are kind of bird, a variety of bird. You can see the image here. A twitter of budgerigars on the veranda and his grandfather cranking the old car. Cranking is repairing. So his grandfather used to sit in a place and repair an old car always. So all these sounds, no, he could just recollect when he just closed his eyes. Okay, all those sounds, no, came to his mind when he just closed the eyes. He then opened his eyes and said he used to climb the jackfruit tree. So suddenly he opened his eyes and told the girl that when he was a young boy, no, he used to climb jackfruit tree. There was a jackfruit tree in the garden, right? Only that tree is talking about. Okay, and the girl, she said her parents wouldn't mind him climbing the tree now. So she's asking, do you want to climb it again now? If so, our parents won't mind if you climb. You can climb even now if you want. She's telling in this way. Okay, he only wanted to sit and talk for a few minutes. His favorite place was the jackfruit tree. He's just refusing it. When the girl asked whether he wants to climb the tree once again now, he just refusing. No, no, no. I am an aged person now. I can't climb trees now. Like that, he just refused, and he's also telling that he only wanted to sit and talk for a few minutes. He wanted to come inside the garden and sit for a while and just spend a few minutes in the garden. He wanted to do that, and so he has come. He is not willing to climb the trees now because he can't. He is an aged person. Okay, his favorite place was the jackfruit tree. He's telling that it is my favorite place in the whole house. Okay, and he pointed at the branch of the jackfruit tree and said he used to keep his treasure in the hollow of the tree. So he's telling that, so this is my most favorite place in the whole house. And he just pointed the branch of a jackfruit tree or a branch கிட்ட கைய காமிச்சி. He's telling that he used to keep his treasure in the hollow of the tree. Hollow na, it's an ஒரு பொந்து மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு பிளேஸ். இந்த மரபொந்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு காலியான ஒரு உள்ள குழி மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு பிளேஸ். Here you can see the image. Okay, hollow of the tree. Okay, so he used to keep his things. As a boy, he used to collect many things. All those things, no, he used to keep in this hollow, jackfruit tree hollow only. So she's asking, what kind of treasure did you keep in the hollow of the tree? He's telling treasure were only marbles. It's not all valuable things. It's just marbles. See, for the kids, it's all valuable things, right? They won't share even a piece of their own things with others. Okay. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா சின்ன சின்னதா ஏதாவது கோல்ட் காயின்ஸ் ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, சின்ன சின்ன விஷயமா இருக்கும், அவங்க கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆனா அது யார் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க மாட்டாங்க. Even a bit they won't share with others. Okay, those are all very much valuable for them as kids. Okay, so he's telling it's not valuable things, it's just marbles. and he had won. Okay, so whenever he had games, whenever he had played games with his friends, he won some marbles, and those marbles he kept in the hollow of the tree, and a book he wasn't supposed to read, and a book which he wanted to read but he did not, and old coins, a collection of old coins, and grandfather's iron cross. So his grandfather gave him an iron cross which he got as an award for his bravery during the First World War in France. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார் பிரான்ஸ்ல நடந்தப்போ அதுல இவர் சண்டை போட்டப்ப இவரோட பிரேவரி தைரியத்துக்காக அந்த அயன் கிராஸ் அவார்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அவருக்கு. அதை வந்து he gave to his grandson. Okay, he got it from a German soldier. So this iron cross was given to him by a German soldier. Okay, and she asked whether he had the iron cross. கேக்குறாங்க, உங்ககிட்ட இப்ப அந்த அயன் கிராஸ் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேக்குறா. So when the girl asked him whether he had the iron cross with him now, he's telling no, I don't have with me now, and he's telling that he had left it in the jackfruit tree. So he kept it in the hall of the jackfruit tree, right? He left it there itself because being very excited at that time and bidding goodbye to people, thinking about the ship he was going to sail, he forgot all about it. He is telling reason for he had left the iron cross in the jackfruit tree because at the time of leaving the house, no, he was very busy. He was very much excited at that time, saying goodbye to people, packing his things, saying goodbye to people, and he was just thinking about the ship in which he is going to sail. All these things were running in his mind as a kid. He forgot to take all his treasure with him. He left it in the hollow of the jackfruit tree itself. ஓகே, ஸோ போற நேரத்துல எல்லாம் அப்படியே படப்படன்னு அவசர அவசரமா இருந்ததுனால அவர் வந்து அது எல்லாத்தையும் மறந்துட்டாரு. அஸ் எ கிட்னும் எந்த ஷிப்ல போக போறோம், எல்லாருக்கும் பாய் சொல்லணும், அவரோட திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் பேக் பண்ணணும், இந்த மாதிரி ஹரிபரியா அவர் இருந்ததுனால he forgot to take his treasure with him, he said. She said it might still be there in the hollow of the tree. She's telling, who knows, it may be there in the hollow even now, right? She's telling. He said yes, unless someone else found it since 25 years had passed. Yes, of course, it may be there unless someone else found. யாராவது கண்டுபிடிக்காம இருந்ததுன்னா 25 இயர்ஸ் கழிச்சும் யாராவது 25 இயர்ஸ் ஆயிருந்தாலும் யாரும் கண்டுபிடிக்காம இருந்திருந்தா it may be there. He's telling in this way. He said he can't climb trees anymore to have a look. The girl is asking, why don't you go and check whether it's there in the hollow place? But the man is telling that no, I can't climb trees anymore to have a look at it. I don't want to climb trees. I can't do that. But she said she would climb the tree. But she's telling why I'm going. I know to climb the tree. I will go and check whether it is there. She's telling she's willing to go and check. She found it and ran towards him with a rusty old medal in her hand. So the girl told the man to sit there and wait, and she just ran towards the tree. She checked whether it's there, and she found even. Okay, finally she ran towards the man with her empty foot. Okay, barefoot, with a rusty old medal in her hand. So கையில ஒரு துருப்புடிச்சு போன ஒரு மெடல் எடுத்துட்டு குடு குடு குடுன்னு ஓடி வரா. He made sure that it was the same iron cross. She's asking whether it is the iron cross he was looking for. Yes, he said. Yes, this is the iron cross I was looking for. This is the iron cross which my grandfather gave me. She said the man had come to check his iron cross would still be there. So she's telling, oh, I have come to know one thing, that you have come here to check whether the iron cross, it is there still in the jackfruit tree. So நீங்க இப்ப வந்திருக்கிறது எனக்கு எதுக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. அந்த jackfruit treeல உங்களோட iron cross இப்போ இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு தானே வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேக்குறா. He said he wasn't sure. What you are telling may be right, but I am not sure why I have come here. Okay, so he's telling we know that very well. He did not come there, I mean go there for this iron cross. He wanted to recollect the memories which he had in the house, okay, which he experienced in the house. Those memories are a treasure for him. Okay, so அத வாங்குறது, அந்த மெமரிஸ் ரீகலெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் போறாரே தவிர இந்த iron cross, it's a part of his memory. Okay, So not exactly the thing he wanted from the house. It is not the exact thing he wanted from the house. It is a memory he wanted from the house. Okay. So he's telling that what you are telling may be right, but I'm not sure about it. Okay. He said he wasn't sure and asked her to have it as she found it. So he's telling her to have the medal with her because she only found it, saying that you only found it, so you have it with you. Okay, and that would have even been there for another 25 years if she hadn't climbed up the tree. He's telling one more thing for giving the iron cross to the girl. Okay, see, you found it, so you can have it with you. Another thing is, if you haven't climbed the tree now, it would have been there for another 25 years. ஸோ நீ வந்து இதை கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதனால நீயே இந்த மெடலை வச்சுக்கோ. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம நீ இப்ப அந்த ட்ரீ கிளைம் பண்ணி ஏறாம இருந்து இது எடுக்காம இருந்திருந்தா இன்னும் 25 வருஷம் கழிச்சு கூட அந்த மெடல் அங்கேயே இருந்திருக்கும். ஸோ இட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு யூ, ஐ எம் ரெடி டு கிவ் இட் டு யூ, யூ ஹேவ் இட் வித் யூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு the man is telling. So when the man gave the medal to her, no, the girl refused to accepting it because she thought it belonged to him. He is the owner of the medal and it was given to him by his grandfather. He should really own it. She thought like this and she refused accepting it. But the man placed the medal in her hands and said that he had come for his youth and not for the iron cross. Once again, he made her understand that he had not come here for the iron cross. He just came here to recollect the memories of his past life. Okay. But the girl did not understand that. So the man was about to leave the house so that she walked with him to the gate and said bye to him. Okay. And as he walked along to the bus stop, he remembered his youth and the air filled with the smell of sweet mango. So when he was going along the road towards the bus stop, no, he just recollected the memories again, and he could feel the air which comes from the garden. Which when he was sitting there in the garden, no, he could feel the air, right? He just remembering that air again now. Okay, அந்த காத்துல கலந்து வந்த அந்த வாசத்தை திரும்பி நினைச்சு பாக்குறாரு. அண்ட் த ஸ்மெல் ஆஃப் ஸ்வீட் மேங்கோ அந்த சம்மர் பிரீஸ் அப்படியே இந்த கோடை காலத்துல மிதந்து வர அந்த மாம்பழ வாசனை கலந்து அந்த காத்து made his blood rush in his veins, forgetting the feel that he was so old that he couldn't climb trees anymore. So அந்த காத்துல அவர் மெய் மறந்து made his blood rush in his veins. ஸோ அப்படியே ரத்த நாளங்களுக்குள்ளெல்லாம் ரத்தம் பாஞ்சு போற மாதிரி மறந்து இது அவரோட அவர் ஒரு பெரிய மனுஷன் மரம் ஏற முடியாத அளவுக்கு ஒரு வயசானவர் ஆயிட்டார் அப்படிங்கறத மறக்கிற அளவுக்கு செஞ்சிருது அந்த காத்தோட வாசம், மாம்பழ கலந்த அந்த காத்தோட உணர்ச்சி வந்து அவர் அந்த அளவுக்கு திங்க் பண்ண வைக்குது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ப்ரெஷியஸ். நம்மளோட சைல்ட்ஹுட் டேஸும் சரி, யங் டேஸும் சரி, இட் இஸ் மச் வேல்யூபிள் ப்ரெஷியஸ் டேஸ், தோஸ் ஆர் ஆல். ஓகே, அது ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணி வாழணும், அதை ரீகலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும் எப்பவுமே நம்மளோட வாழ்க்கையில அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நம்ம இந்த லெசன்ல இருந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். glossary: chiming, making melodious ringing sound typically to indicate time. ஸோ மெலோடியஸா சவுண்ட் வரும் இல்லையா கிளாக்ல இருந்து, அதுதான் டைம் இண்டிகேட் பண்றதுக்காக. இப்போ 5னா 5 டைம்ஸ் அடிக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி. ட்விட்டர்: chirping of a bird. Budgerigard: a kind of bird, a small Australian bird of the parrot family. ஒரு ஆஸ்திரேலியன் பேர்டு, இதை பெட் அனிமலா கூட வச்சுப்பாங்க. இட்ஸ் அ கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பேர்ட். ஓகே, parrot family. இட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு த parrot family. Cranking: starting, ரிப்பேர் டு ஸ்டார்ட் சம்திங். இன்ஜினை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான். Sprightliness: lively and full of energy. Okay, so as a man was walking, he looked sprightliness. Okay, so அப்படியே பயங்கர ஒரு லைவ்லியா ஃபுல் எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கா ஃபீல் பண்ணார் அவர். Answer the following. So these are the questions you have to answer after seeing the video. What did the visitor hide in the jackfruit tree? We have given in the video. What are the things? Marbles, old coins, a book and iron cross. All these things he left in the jackfruit tree, right? When did the visitor actually hide the iron cross? When he was a young boy, he kept it in the jackfruit tree. How did he get back the iron cross? With the help of the girl. Okay, so the girl, She ran to the jackfruit tree and found it back. How did the grandfather get the Iron Cross? It was a gift given to you. It was the award given by a German soldier for his bravery. Okay. And where had he left his childhood treasures? He left his childhood treasures in the hollow of the jackfruit tree. So that's all about the lesson, children. We'll meet with a different and interesting topic in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.